Are you ready to play? Let's go on a fun adventure with me. Let's learn together, one giggle at a time.
Can you subtract 250 from 600? Big thinking time. 350. 600 minus 250 lands you safely on 350. What's left when 540 gives away 440 blocks? 100. 540 drops a big 440, and 100 is what's left standing. Take away 240 from 440. What's our number friend now? 200. 440 takes away 240 and smiles with 200. Let's try if 225 steps down 75 blocks. What's next? 150. 225 says goodbye to 75, and 150 appears with a grin. If we remove 180 from 540, what do we get? 360. 540 takes a neat step back, and 360 is standing tall. Take away 340 from 540. What lovely number is left? 200. 540 drops 340 and 200 stands with a smile. If we subtract 420 from 520, what's the answer, my clever friend? 100. 520 lets go of 420 blocks, and 100 cheers. Here I am. What's left when you take 270 away from 450? 180. 450 gives away 270 and welcomes 180. From 290, take away 190. Who do we get to meet? 100. 290 steps back 190 blocks, and 100 arrives proudly. Can you take 40 from 150? Let's see where we land. 110. 150 minus 40 lands right on 110, sweet and steady. Take away 100 from 300. What's the new total? 200. 300 gives away a clean 100 and finds 200 smiling. From 520, subtract 220. Who's our strong new block? 300. 520 steps down 220, and 300 shines bright. Let's try this. Take away 150 from 450. What do you see? 300. 450 drops 150 blocks, and 300 waves hello. If you remove 240 from 360, what's left in the line? 120. 360 minus 240 gives you 120. So neat! What number do you see when 480 gives away to 180? 200. 480 lets go of 280 and greets 200 happily. Take away 130 from 230. What's standing tall now? 100. 230 drops 130 blocks and leaves 100 smiling. Subtract 160 from 260. Can you count it down with me? 100. 260 minus 160 equals 100. Easy as pie. From 300, take away 200. Who's left in the spotlight? 100. 300 steps down 200 and finds 100 shining. Let's take away 100 from 250. What number do we land on? 150. 250 minus 100 lands on 150. Smart move. What do you get if 330 gives away 130? 200. 330 drops 130 and leaves 200 glowing.